بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعزائي طلاب الصف 11 الثانوي مدرسة التميز النموذجية، أهلا وسهلا بكم مع درس جديد من دروس الوحدة 10 مادة اللغة الإنجليزية. Today inshallah we are going to talk about Unit 10 Lesson 3. Who can remind me what was Unit 10 about? Yes, excellent. It was about accidents. Let's start our lesson with opener. Mention some causes of car accidents. Yes, excellent. High speed. Yes. What else? Careless drivers and many other reasons. Okay. Careless drivers should cause terrible collisions. So, the first word with us today is collision. Yes, as you see in the picture, collision is a crash of an object into something. Collision means a crash. The next word. What is the function of the anti-lock brake system? Its abbreviation is ABS. Anti-lock brake system. This system can prevent wheel lock under braking. It can prevent wheel lock under braking. The anti-lock braking system can also electronically control the front to rear brake bias. Look at this new word, bias. Bias means imbalance, unequal distribution of force. Bias. This is the meaning of bias. Okay. The EBS prevents the wheels from locking, and this means cars don't skid. So, the next word with us is skid. Skid means to slide, typically sideways or on slippery ground or as a result of stopping. Skid. Considerably. Since their introduction, anti-lock braking systems have evolved considerably. What is the meaning of considerably? Yes, it's an adverb, means significantly or greatly. Yes. The next word. Seat belts are designed to retrain people in their seats and to prevent or reduce injuries suffered in a crash. Retrain, yes, to keep possession of. However, safety devices don't offer a foolproof guarantee. Foolproof. Foolproof, as you see in the picture, means incapable of going wrong or being misused. Foolproof. So, our new words today are yes, bias. The next word is yes, excellent. Collision. Significantly or greatly means considerably. foolproof, foolproof. Retrain, retrain. Skeet, skeet. Please open your workbook page 70. Open your workbook page 70. Before you read, the picture shows the importance of one of the safety measures taken in a car. What is it? What is this safety measure in a car, and is very important? Yes, as you see in the picture, it's about seat belts. Seat belts. Seat belts is very, very, very important measure. It must be taken in a car because seat belts save lives. Because seat belt can save lives. Match the words and their definitions. Match the words and their definitions. Number A, retrain. Number B, collision. Number C, bias. Number D, skeet. Yes, who can answer? Number A, retrain means yes, excellent. Number 2, to keep position off. To keep position off. Number B, collision. Collision, yes, excellent. Number 4, a crash into something. A crash into something. Number C, bias. Bias, yes. Number 1, unequal distribution of force. The last one, skid, is to slide sideways. To slide sideways. Excellent. Look at this text. Read this article about car safety. So we are going to read a text about car safety. Okay? Now read this text silently and answer these two questions. Read to answer the first question, what can happen if an accident? What can happen in an accident if a car driver is not wearing his seat belt? The second question is, do you think that car makers prevent danger in all accidents? Now take your time. Read silently and carefully to answer these two questions. Number A, what can happen in an accident if a car driver is not wearing his or her seat belt? As you see in the picture, yes, excellent. The driver or front seat passenger can be thrown through the windscreen. Through the windscreen. This is the answer of question number A. Question number B, do you think that car makers prevent danger in all accidents? The answer of this question is related to your opinion. Some of you can think yes, and some of you can think no. For me, I think that car makers can't prevent danger in all accidents. Okay? Yes. Okay, now let's go to page 71. Page 71 of your workbook. Read the article again on page 70. Which of the following headings could be a suitable title for the articles? In other words, what is the most suitable titles for this text? Is it number A, seat belts, or B, car safety, or C, the cars are safe, but what about the drivers? Or D, anti-lock braking system, ABS? I think the answer is very easy. Yes, it's number B, car safety. Car safety. So the text is about car safety. Exercise 3. What do the words in italics or in red here in these sentences from the article on page 70 refer to? Read the text again to decide what these words refer to. Number A, without them. What are them? Without them, a driver or front seat passenger can be thrown through the windscreen. Let's now check our answer. Read all these statements to answer and know what are these words refer to. Line 7, number A in line 7, who can answer? Number A in line 7. Without them, the driver or front seat passenger can be thrown through the windscreen. I think it's very easy answer. It's about the seat belts, the seat belts. Okay, number B. The anti-lock brake system ABS helps drivers to avoid accidents by making cars stop more quickly than those with ordinary brakes. Who are those? Yes, excellent. Cars. Cars with ordinary and the cars with EPS. Excellent. Number C. If the car is in an accident, the people in it will not be crushed. Line 19. What does it refer to? What does it refer to? Yes, excellent. It refers to the car. If the car is in an accident, the people in it in the car. Excellent. Read the text again and decide if these statements are true or false. Okay? Read again silently and try to answer these questions and decide if the statements are true or false and justify your answer. Number A. In modern cars, airbags and the head restraints have replaced seat belts? Of course not. Of course, it's false statement. Yes, in modern vehicles, seat belts are also designed to work as the key part of wider injury prevention measures and safety systems. Yes, it's a false statement. Number B. ABS systems are the same today as when they were originally produced. Do you think this? Of course, no. Of course, it's a false statement. They have evolved considerably. They have evolved considerably. Yes, excellent. Number C. Crumble zones allow the front and the back parts of the car to be crushed in an accident. Again, crumble zones allow the front and the back parts of a car to be crushed in an accident. Excellent. It's true. It's true. Number D. Car drivers should rely on car manufacturers to make roads safer. Number D. Car drivers should rely on car manufacturers to make roads safer. Excellent. It's false statement. Safety devices don't offer a foolproof guarantee. Yes, excellent. Now, we are going to the after reading question. The after reading question. After we read this important text, I'd like to ask you a question. In your notebooks, write a response to the text in exercise 5 by listing some solutions for preventing car accidents. Okay? I'd like in your notebook, write some of solutions for preventing car accidents. Okay? You will take this exercise as a homework. Complete the text using the verb form of the words in brackets. Yesterday was an interesting day. First, I had to sit an extremely difficult math test. The exam last month was too short, so the teacher decided to, number 1 is long. Decided to lengthen. Decided to lengthen it by 2 hours. On the way home, I was arguing with my brother. Bit by bit, the argument began to, yes, excellent, sharpen. The bus driver decided to downtown in order to, yes, the verb short, excellent, the same, shorten the trip. There were constructions to, yes, excellent, widen the route. The driver was driving very carefully because big black clouds were dark the sky. Yes, excellent. Darkening the sky. Suddenly we saw a boy crossing the street. Luckily, the driver was driving slowly and stopped the bus in time. Now we are going to the last thing in our lesson today, which is closure. Over to you. According to the writer, only everyone drives more carefully will road accidents become a thing of the past. Do you agree or disagree? Yes. Do you agree or disagree? Discuss and record your answers in your notebooks. Please write down your discussion and your answers in your notebooks. Thank you very much, my dear students, for your listening. Goodbye.